Guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm ending this video pretty early because I'm pretty much done for today, but I just want to show you from yesterday, like it happened exactly like I said that we would open up higher, right? So we opened up right here, and what I said was we need to test orange, right? So unfortunately we didn't get that support at orange, right? We didn't form that head out orange. The market wanted to dig deeper, and we're still not a confirmed short yet, right? The market probably just wanted to close this gap right here, right? So once we saw that the market didn't find support here, there's an obvious right shoulder off here all the way to the close of the gap, right? What we can go from here is actually same thing, like left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then keep going up, right? So it's good the market wants to dig deeper, build that more liquidity, because that's a potential bigger move, right? But then again, if we start heading down even more, right, it was pretty choppy way down as well. So you have to be patient. I really wasn't caring about this trade because it was like a 1 point, right? After right here it was like a 1 pointer, so 1.5 maybe, yeah. So I didn't really care about it. I made pretty good money in the beginning, and I'll show you guys. But so like to even short this right now, so we're gonna see this aggro right here. Okay, let me just draw it out for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna see this aggro where it's gonna be a left shoulder, the head right here, right, and then the right shoulder right here, right, and then hopefully the 5 days right here, so we reject off the 5 day as a right shoulder, right? But that's really what to look out for to even short it, right? But other than that, you cannot short. So you just have to be patient and wait for that confirmed short, right? But right now we're still in a buying area, right, where buyers are in control, right? So you have to really be careful and take profits, right? So I just want to show the trades that were possibly, especially in the 1 minute, right? So at 10:58, this or 10:59:11, left shoulder, we got that wide algo, right, head, and then right shoulder right here, and then a microstructure right shoulder right here off of white all the way down, right? So that's the first trade of today. Then same structures that happened right throughout the day, off of orange as well, right? So left shoulder, head, and then the right shoulder right here, and then on this right shoulder you could take it off the white again right here, right shoulder right here, and then all the way down if you want to hold this long, right? I just got out after, I believe, right here, so that was like my last trade, and I think I took like, yeah, that's like my last trade. So that's pretty much it. So realistically all you had to do is just wait for the left shoulder, head, then the first off of white right here, right, all the way down, closing up the inverse cup right here, the handle, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right, and then on this right shoulder we have the right microstructure right here. You enter here, and then you could just hold on all the way to the close of the gap, right? The gap is a target, right? When we have moves like this, the gap is a target. You can see how we bounced right here, but so that it was the target. But if you saw aggressive selling, then of course you would take it to the 5 day, right? But then there wasn't that aggressive selling. We were just tapering and chopping the way down, so not really aggressive selling. But I'm into just such fucking lady. I'm into right? So you can see that we were like chopping on the way down, right? Pretty tight range as well, right? The supports, everything. So yeah, it wasn't maybe the best trades to hold, and like it's not really, if it's worth it to you, I guess, then that's different, but like it's not really worth it to me. Just like, especially if you made the money from here, then also the money from here, right? So the two trades right here really would have been it for you. No need to like just like rush trades like right here. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it for the trades today. And where's my OBS? So I just want to show you guys, right? So if we're headed up, like I said, we're gonna have the left shoulder here ahead, right shoulder, and I have to be really patient as well, because we have the orange right here, right? So pretty good resistance, right? But we can left shoulder here ahead, right shoulder right here, another right shoulder off the blue, and then depending on, right? But realistically, we want to be careful of the orange, take it at a good risk to reward, right? You don't really want to take the trade so close right here, right? You want to at least wait till at least some liquidity off of orange, and then hopefully you break out, and then right? So yeah, and then again, if we're headed down, like I said, we need to wait left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here off of orange, and TO right here, right? So just be patient, and yeah, trade at structured demands, and yeah, that's really it. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and I also want to have a good video on Friday talking about like stagflation, everything that's just like and so I am trying my best, and I will make a video on Friday about like macroeconomic news, microeconomic whatever, and just like really tell you guys about the economy, because there is a Fed rate cut coming, but you might not think that, you might think it's the time to buy, right? But usually when it does happen, there is a massive there's a bit of a pullback, so you need to be really careful. You can't be bullish like fully, right? It is overall bullish structure, but you have to really think about the macro and micro time frames, right? Context, right? But anyways, thank you guys for your time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Wednesday, we're more than halfway done throughout the week. Love you guys, and see you guys on Thursday.